This is the standard view you get when you open the HTML editor. Here we're going to open a file. I'm going to open the home page, which is our main menu page for this project. As you can see, the view consists of elements that are basically graphics. This is a PNG file. All the elements that you see are only graphic files, so they can be GIFs, JPEGs, BMPs, PNGs, any standard graphic file, and you can select them by clicking the symbols button. Even the borders that are at 320 and 240 pixels, just to indicate the end of the screen, they are simple elements. You can resize them by entering different values as for the width and the height, or you can resize them by using the arrows on your keyboard, or you can even drag them with the mouse. In this case, because I have a home page with only links, I will have the elements defined as links, and they link to a new HTML page. The display will be able to link to that page if you press on it. So what I'm basically making here is buttons to go to different pages. If I then go to one of those pages, I have here two elements. One is point 11, and point 11 has a fixed value of 0 and 1, and it has a graphic symbol connected to it, lamp 05. So if I go to my symbols dialog box and I scroll down to this symbol, you will see that I have lamp 05 with value 0 and 1. You will see the naming here also. That means that if I press the button, it will show the image that is associated with the 1, and if I press it again, it goes back to 0. So I can do an on-off button. Similarly, I have another point that's called point 10, that in this case has a unit of percentage, so the brightness of my lamp, a minimum and a maximum value from 0 to 100, because I use this divider 10, and that is why I have to define 1000 here. And as you can see, at this moment I have the controller set value box ticked, because that's why I have the minimum and the maximum. This means that if you press the value on the screen, you get a dialog box where you can edit the value. That's why I have to set the min and max also here. For the same point 10, I also have a plus and a minus button. So this is also point 10, just like the other one. And here I have the same values, plus 10, here indicating plus 1, and then 0 to 1000, because the divider is only on the point where the point value is shown. And the same goes for the minus button. Then I have minus 10. So this fixed value is here very similarly used as for the on-off button, only you have 3 values here. Very similarly, we can also make a page that has different symbols. This case for point 81, I have a fixed value of 0 on this first button. Then the second button has a fixed value of 1, and I attribute fan 04 to it, and then fan 06 has fixed value 3. This means that if I press the button, the point 81 will get that value. I have created thus 4 symbols for each value. Fan off has 4 values, and in this case fan 6 has 4 values. Fan 6 had 3 for the active one, and then the other 3 are pink because they are the disabled ones, just so that you show an element when it's not selected. Similarly, for fixed value 1, that was fan 04, you will see that for that fixed value 1 will have the white symbol, and all the other values will have the pink symbol, as you can see. So fan 41 is white, and the other ones are the disabled ones. They are pink. And so you can create several and different types of buttons.